Good morning, world travelers. Welcome back to my channel if you are subscribed, and if you are new, welcome to the world of Wis. I'm Wis, and I hope that you do stick around and subscribe to become a part of my world. It's currently 9 o'clock. I have to leave the house by 9:30. Today's day 1 of 5, but it's also commuting day, but I also got like a few schedule changes. I was originally supposed to be working getting to New York and then working a flight from New York to Raleigh, Durham. Well, it is currently snowing. My schedule got altered, so now I'll be deadheading to Minneapolis. I got my watch on. I ain't gonna go buy another one, and I got an extra one in my bag. Thank you to the few of you who told me keep a spare in your bag because you keep buying watches. I ain't gonna buy a watch this trip, but I'm a little nervous because my commuting inbound flight is a little late, and I'm guessing because they had to de-ice in the New York area because that's where it's coming from. So when I get to JFK, because it's a direct flight, hoping that all goes well, I will be getting to LaGuardia via public transportation. Hopefully the snow is not coming down too hard, and then hang around there because I'm on time available, aka on call, and then go to Minneapolis. So I'm about to pack up my lunchbox. Keith is currently taking Simba on a walk, so he's a high active doggy. That's my baby. I think he's gonna realize that I'm leaving soon, so we're just trying to butter him up. But let me go ahead and pack my lunchbox and come along. He knows mommy's leaving. You know mommy's leaving? And if I get back on camera, I'll tell you guys about the day. If not, I'll see you guys in the morning. Hey world travelers, it is day 2 of 5. It is about 2 o'clock in the afternoon. We have a van set for 2:30. I've been ready for like an hour now. Something told me get up and get ready because yeah, scheduling called us last night when we landed. We landed at like 10 o'clock, got here 10:30. Yesterday was my long day. You guys know that if I commute the same day that I start my trip, it's just automatically a long day for me between commuting, getting to base, and then working my flights. But I didn't have to work yesterday. We only deadheaded, but we were late coming into Minneapolis because our pilots that were working another flight came in late because there was like a snowstorm in New York. We had to wait for them to come work our flight, and then we got here. And then we were supposed to have like a 6:45 report this morning. But thank you to the scheduling gods, and thank you to just everything working out the way it was supposed to work out. We were able to sleep in. We originally had 4 flights. Scheduling knocked out 3 of them. Won't be working them, but I will be getting paid for them. And I only have 1 flight today. So we're gonna get today started with. Simba has a vet appointment. So I've been on the phone with Keith, just, you know, handling business here to him while he over there. I'll see you guys later. I'm working on getting Simba's, oh, but by the time that you say I see this, the world in my time doesn't know that we have Simba, but tomorrow they will find out. So Simba's adoption video is gonna go up tomorrow. So this hotel has crappy Wi-Fi, so hopefully tonight's hotel has better Wi-Fi. So let's get this one flight over with. About to go down early, get my ice packs, and yeah. Mirror on the wall. I'm actually dressed because I'm trying to beat sundown. I'm gonna go back out and be adventurous on my layover. It's freezing cold, but it looks nice. And our room is tiny, it's cute, it's clean, but the only thing is there's no fridge or microwave. There's not a fridge at all, so I'm gonna see what they can do for my food. So in the meantime, I'm gonna leave everything locked in here because for the most part my ice packs are still frozen and I might have to leave them in here overnight. So let's be adventurous. Just say how freezing cold it is here, but Des Moines is beautiful. I feel welcomed. People are nice here. I don't know if it looks like because I have a camera that I'm a tourist or I'm new, but I just love the vibe. My hoodie won't stay on and I'm trying to beat sundown to get back to my hotel just because I don't really like being out late at night alone somewhere that I've never been. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed these little clippets. I'm gonna figure out my food situation and I'll see y'all when I get to the hotel, but my legs, they're non-existent. Go back to my hotel. I'm about to take 2 shots, some vitamin C, Airborne, and my daily vitamins. Just about to get myself right, just to prevent anything from being out in the cold for dang near almost an hour. Yeah, you heard that, an hour in between 11 and 17 degree weather. Also, shout out to this hotel for having some dope Wi-Fi. I was nervous because y'all know my hotel this morning did not have the best Wi-Fi, but shout out to you, Des Moines. Shout out to you. Hey y'all, so it's about 11:30. We are in Birmingham, Alabama. We weren't supposed to be here. We were actually supposed to be in Fayetteville, North Carolina doing a turn, but when we landed this morning in Atlanta, they changed our schedule last minute. Waiting for our aircraft to be cleaned. Got myself a lemonade from Chick-fil-A. I didn't get meal because I have food, and I'm just kind of tired. I stayed up all night, pulled an all-nighter because I've been working on a lot of things, and Simba got a few vaccines and he's been kind of out of it. So, you know, my heart just hurts for him, and I'm not near him to comfort him and console him, so it's been kind of hard. We're on day 3 and we have 2 more flights to do, and I'll see you guys when I'm in Greensville, Spartanburg. Yeah. Hey world travelers, so we are on the aircraft to have potentially went to Greensville, Spartanburg, and I was about to tell y'all that this aircraft has a maintenance issue. Our captain said that he brought this plane in 3 hours ago and he called maintenance to fix the issue. And maintenance is still on board and hasn't really told him much. So it's 5:10. We're supposed to be leaving here at 5:40. Don't know much of what's going on. They just turned the aircraft off. So I'll fill you guys in later on what's going on if we ever make it to Greensville. And Simba's adoption video did go up today, and thank you guys for taking him in with open arms and all the positivity and all the love that we've been receiving. So yeah, I'm so grateful for you guys, and I'll catch y'all later and fill you in later on what the issue is, or if we go, or if we're gonna do a plane swap. So yeah. Travelers, so today is officially day 405, so we go home tomorrow. I didn't talk to you guys last night or earlier today. We are in Montreal. We did a flight from Atlanta to Montreal. It's a turn, so that means we have to go back. So when I get to my hotel later in Columbia, I will tell you about yesterday and then today. But I look like this because we can't go into the terminal, so he allowed us to stay like in this little walkway area, because if we go into the terminal we will have to clear customs. So this is as far along you get, but it's still cold and my ears feel numb. I'll talk to y'all later. Disregard my greasy face. So today is the end of day 3. Today was a long day. We pulled a 13-hour day, but let's go back to yesterday. So yesterday, let me take this vest off. Okay, we were supposed to be going to Fayetteville, North Carolina. I think I told you guys that they ended up putting a Birmingham turn on us, which was nice because it was a shorter flight. But when we got back to Atlanta, we ended up sitting for 3.5 hours. So on our last flight from Atlanta to Greensville, Spartanburg, y'all, so we get on the plane and I'm doing our pre-flights and I flush the toilet, and usually it's supposed to be like blue juice to like flush everything down. This was like a mustard color. This wasn't green, because you know it's yellow plus blue makes green, but it wasn't a green yellow. It was a mustard yellow, like a rank yellow, like a strong deep yellow. So I told them, hey, we need, you know, our lab to be serviced. They said they serviced it, flushed it, it was still yellow. Told my pilots, told everyone, kept flushing it, it was still yellow. So when we finally like closed the door, the pilots called me. Had to make some room on my camera, but the pilots called me and said, hey, check the bathroom to see if it's been serviced. So I flushed it and it's good, it's blue. Now y'all, I'm sitting, we do our safety demo, I do my compliance check, and I'm sitting in my jump seat, and I'm sitting and we're pushing back, and I'm hearing like a waterfall, and I'm like, maybe I'm just tired, you know, because yesterday was a long day too. I'm like, maybe I'm just tired. But why do I hear like a waterfall, like water running? Y'all, yesterday was literally a poop show. When I tell you we had a yellow colored water coming up from the sink down from the faucet. The toilet was runneth over. Literally. So I turned off the emergency valve to get the water that's running from the faucet to cut off. And I guess when I did that, the water that was rising, bubbling up, leaking all over the floor from the sink was all over the floor, and that stopped too, but it was brown. It was rank. So thank God I discovered it while we were pushing back. We literally went back to the gate. Maintenance came on, had to clean it up, defer it. And then when I got to my room, I went to go wash my uniform because I just felt disgusting. I just felt gross. Like, so I took a shower last night, ate, and went to sleep because I didn't even want to think about it. Or before I went to sleep, I heard about the news of the United aircraft, you know, which engines caught on fire and debris was like all over a town. And that was just scary, but kudos to the pilots, kudos to the flight crew. No one was hurt. I know property was damaged, but for what I read up on, no one was hurt, and thank God they were able to land it safely and no one on the ground was hurt. Everyone on the plane, flight attendants took care of it well, pilots took care of the situation well. Kudos to them. So I was just like, wow, like we are trained for these types of emergencies. Ooh, sorry, you know when you rub your eye, it feels so good. Oh, sorry, it might be black now because my mascara. But we are trained for these types. This is why we go through training. We are qualified and well trained to go through these types of situations. You know, it's probably scary in the moment, but kudos to them. So today was such a long day. It was so cold. The Atlanta to Montreal flight was like so long. Coming back was even longer. And this was a quick 30-minute flight here to Columbia. So tomorrow's go home day, and we have easy flights tomorrow, 3 flights, and then I'll be commuting home 1 flight because I miss my son Simba incredibly. Like, so we have cameras. I don't know if I showed you guys. I usually just peek up on him. Last night, how cute! Really a pile of dirty clothes. Picked out my clothes and is laying on them. My baby missed me. I'm coming home tomorrow. So yeah, that's it for today. I'll see you guys in the morning. I'm about to finish my Chipotle for dinner. Hey, Papa. Hey, boy. Mommy's home. Good morning, world traveler. So it is the next day. Just woke up, taking Simba out on a walk. But I did want to close out this vlog. I did want to thank you guys for watching this week's video. Hopefully it makes sense when I put it together. I did not vlog at all yesterday. Well, I don't think I did. But yesterday, all we ended up doing was working a flight from Columbia to Atlanta and then doing a Chattanooga turn. And then I was done by 1 o'clock. We were supposed to finish at 1:45. We got in like 45 minutes early and caught a commute flight at around 3:15 and was home by 4:15. Got home, did a couple errands, had to switch out his food, Simba's food, just because the food that he had, he wasn't liking it. And yeah, just getting all the love. When I come back, it's like I'm covered in bacon grease coming back for more. But thank you guys for watching this week's video. If you haven't already, subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up. We're gonna comment some snowflakes for the heavy snowfall that we endured on day 1 of our trip. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, road, bye.